Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! It's Evelyn in Evelyn's Home Cooking. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make our family favorite chicken, mushroom, and broccoli stir fry. So, let's get started. So now we start for the chicken. We have a 1 kilogram boneless and skinless chicken. So we slice it into a small cut into a small and just put a little bit of black pepper. And we will set aside. And next, we will make our stir-fry sauce. In our mixing bowl, we will put 2/3 cup of low-sodium chicken broth, 3 teaspoons low-sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Next is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, grated, and 1 teaspoon of garlic minced, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And we will mix it together to combine. And we will set aside. And next, we need 2 crowns of broccoli and then cut into a small florets. Okay. And next, we need 1.5 pound of white button mushroom, sliced into thin. Okay, we will set aside. Next, we need 1 yellow onion, and cut it in a very thinly. Okay. Okay, in our pan, we need 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. And put the fire in a medium heat. Okay. And cook it into of 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Okay, so once the chicken is golden, and fully cooked through, transfer it into the plate and set aside. And in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and continue to cook our onions, mushroom, and broccoli. And continue cooking for 3 minutes until the onions and mushroom is fully cooked. Add 2 teaspoons of water to make our broccoli and mushroom tender. Okay, now reduce the heat into low and stir the sauce in the pan. Cook into 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce is sticky and nicely. Okay, now our sauce is sticky nicely. So we will add again our chicken to cook it again. Oh. Okay. Saucy and delicious. Wow, I'm so excited. So I will take some to test. So, wow. Delicious. Everyone, if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up down and comment, subscribe my channel, and see you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.